Welcome to our roundup of the best dehumidifiers for workshops. Powerful moisture control appliances designed to reduce humidity, protect tools, and create a cleaner, more comfortable working environment. Whether you're dealing with damp air, condensation, rust-prone equipment, or poor ventilation inside your workshop, a reliable dehumidifier can make a huge difference in maintaining both air quality and equipment condition. Modern workshop dehumidifiers come with high moisture removal capacity, automatic drainage systems, humidity control settings, washable filters, and heavy-duty compressors for continuous operation. Choosing the right dehumidifier can help prevent mold growth, protect valuable tools, and improve overall comfort inside garages, basements, and workshop spaces. Let's take a closer look at some of the best dehumidifiers for workshops available right now. Starting with the Moiswell 70 pints dehumidifier. This model is a great option for users looking for efficient humidity control, dependable operation, and practical performance for medium-sized workshops and garage spaces. It typically features a 70-pint moisture removal capacity that helps reduce dampness, condensation, and musty odors effectively during daily operation. The digital control panel allows users to adjust humidity levels more accurately depending on room conditions and comfort preferences. Many versions include automatic shutoff and continuous drainage support, helping reduce manual maintenance during long-term use. Its compact design combined with caster wheels makes it easier to move between rooms or work areas when needed. Additionally, it delivers reliable moisture removal performance and consistent humidity control. Next up is the AirColor 125 pints dehumidifier, a versatile and dependable option designed for larger workshop areas that require stronger moisture removal and more continuous operation. This model typically features a high-capacity compressor system capable of removing large amounts of moisture efficiently from garages, storage spaces, and industrial-style work areas. The adjustable humidity settings allow users to maintain a more stable environment for tools, machinery, and stored materials. Many versions include a built-in pump and continuous drain functionality, making long-term operation more convenient with less maintenance. The durable design and heavy-duty construction help improve reliability during frequent use. Additionally, it provides steady humidity reduction and dependable long-duration performance. Moving on to the Waycar 155 pints dehumidifier. This model is known for its strong moisture removal performance, large coverage area, and reliable operation for demanding workshop conditions. It typically features a powerful compressor and fan system that help remove excess humidity quickly and efficiently from larger spaces with persistent dampness issues. The intelligent digital display makes it easier to monitor humidity levels and adjust settings for better environmental control. Many versions also include automatic defrost systems, washable filters, and timer functionality for added convenience and improved maintenance. Its portable design with wheels and side handles makes repositioning easier despite the larger size. Additionally, it delivers efficient humidity control and stable operation during extended use. It also enhances air circulation, improves comfort, and supports heavy-duty moisture control applications. Stepping up in performance, the Alarair 180 ppd dehumidifier offers a strong balance of industrial-grade power, advanced functionality, and long-lasting durability for serious workshop and basement environments. This model typically features a 180 pint per day moisture removal capacity that allows it to handle highly humid conditions more effectively than standard residential units. The heavy-duty construction and commercial-grade components improve reliability during continuous operation in demanding spaces. Many versions include automatic drainage systems, memory restart functions, and advanced humidity sensors for improved efficiency and convenience. Its compact but rugged design makes it suitable for workshops, warehouses, and restoration projects where strong moisture control is necessary. Additionally, it delivers powerful dehumidification performance and consistent humidity reduction over time. Taking the top spot is the Moiswell 260 pints dehumidifier, a highly advanced and heavy-duty option designed for maximum moisture removal, large area coverage, and professional-grade workshop performance. This model typically features an extremely high moisture extraction capacity capable of handling very large workshops, industrial garages, storage facilities, and highly humid environments with ease. The advanced digital control system allows precise humidity adjustments and improved environmental monitoring for better long-term moisture management. Many versions include automatic pump drainage, heavy-duty caster wheels, washable filters, and continuous operation support for added convenience during extended use. Its commercial-style construction helps ensure durability and stable operation, even under demanding conditions. The high airflow system improves overall efficiency while helping maintain a drier and more comfortable workspace. Additionally, it delivers fast and effective humidity control with reliable long-term performance. All of these workshop dehumidifiers serve different needs depending on coverage size, moisture removal capacity, and usage requirements. The Moiswell 70 pints model offers reliable humidity control for medium-sized spaces. The AirColor 125 pints model provides stronger moisture removal and continuous operation support. The Waycar 155 pints model delivers powerful performance with improved convenience features. The Allurair 180 ppd model offers commercial-grade durability and advanced functionality. And the Moiswell 260 pints model stands out as the most powerful and well-rounded option overall. That wraps up our list of the best dehumidifiers for workshops. From compact high-efficiency models to industrial-grade units designed for maximum moisture control and long-term reliability. Whether you're protecting tools, improving air quality, or maintaining a safer and more comfortable workspace, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which dehumidifier you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more workshop equipment reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and keep your workspace dry, protected, and comfortable with the right dehumidifier.